Hello and welcome to CBS Automotive and Cambridge Car Audio. My name is Audison and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos to you guys. What we've been working on today is a VW Golf GTI. This customer has been using us for his last vehicle and now this vehicle too. In the last vehicle, what we added in was a thinkware front and rear dash camera. What we've done, he sold that vehicle, so we've taken it out of that vehicle and now we've added it into this vehicle. So a lot of our systems are completely reversible and transferable between cars. So if you're interested in something like this, feel free to get in touch with us and we'll explain what we can do in terms of future-proofing your system. So the other upgrade that this customer opted for was an audio system. So as we booked in for the dash camera, the customer asked us if we could do a front speaker upgrade on the vehicle as well, just to add a little bit more clarity to the system. So this is all running off a factory VW head unit, and we've upgraded the front speakers. Our go-to solution for a front speaker upgrade on practically most vehicles is the Audison Prima PK165s. That might not mean much to you, but basically Audison Prima are designed as an OEM solution as an upgrade. So they go in onto a factory locations and they also they're not too deep as well. So they're very, very versatile in terms of vehicle fitment. So we can practically add them to the majority of vehicles, and they also do different sizes, but on a VW Golf, we can add a 6.5-inch speaker, and that's what we go for. So these speakers are really quite cool because what they can do is later on, in terms of future-proofing, say on this vehicle, you took them out and moved them to your next vehicle, but you wanted a bit more from them. What you can do is add an amplifier to run these, or they run very efficiently and the most effective speaker to run off a factory or aftermarket head unit. So really nice solution, adds a little bit more clarity to that front end, gives a nicer center soundstage as well. If you want to see these products, feel free to come visit us. We've got our showroom facilities in Cambridge. Come visit us, chat to us about what solution is going to work best for you and your vehicle, as well as your budget. We normally work on an audio consultation basis, so you just let us know when you're free to visit us. We'll then design and spec your system to exactly how you want it. We do loads of upgrades, and actually at the moment our current demo car is a VW Golf Mark 7.5, so feel free to come listen to that and see exactly what's possible from a vehicle. In terms of the dash camera, it's all been professionally installed. Inside the door cards we've also used six layers of skin soundproofing, so there's onside all 3 layers of the door. That's all been done professionally as well, and then we've used a custom-made speaker ring that we build in-house to mount the speaker inside the door. So thank you very much for watching this very short video on a VW Golf GTI front speaker upgrade and front and rear thinkware dash cam solution. So if you're interested in this, we'll pop all our social media links below. Get in contact with us, our phone number's down there as well. But the best thing to do is visit us. We're based in Cambridge and all our work gets carried out from our workshop facilities here in Cambridge. Thank you very much once again, and we look forward to upgrading your Golf GTI soon.